दोस्ती एहसास नहीं कोई ख़ास चीज़ होती है। बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं जिन्हें दोस्ती नसीब होती है। लाख ढूंढे ना मिले वो उसकी तकदीर होती है। ऐसे भी क्या लोग जिनसे सबकी दूरी होती है। ना मिले दोस्त उसकी ज़िंदगी अधूरी होती है। जो बात ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ दे, जो बात ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ दे, वो बात बार बार क्यों ना करे। हर खुशी मिले आपको यही प्रभु से प्रार्थना है। बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं, बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं जिन्हें आप जैसा दोस्त नसीब होता है।
I love you. I love you, Kiran. I love you. My darling, my honeymoon. You are my bread pudding, eggs, spherical fruits. You are my sweet chocolate. किरण, तुम मेरी हो, सिर्फ मेरी। जब मैं आंखें बंद करता हूँ तो तुम्हें देखना चाहता हूँ। तुम पास नहीं होती तो मैं चारों तरफ महसूस करता हूँ। हर पल, हर घड़ी, हर वक्त अपनी किरण को ढूंढता हूँ। तुम इसे मेरा प्यार कहो या मेरा पागलपन, लेकिन एक बात है किरण, अरे प्यार तो बहुत लोग करते हैं, लेकिन मुझ जैसा प्यार तुमसे कोई नहीं कर सकता। पता है क्यों? क्योंकि किसी के पास तुम जो नहीं हो ना किरण। अरे दिल तो हर किसी के पास होता है किरण, लेकिन हर कोई दिल वाला तो नहीं होता ना। वैसे मेरे और आपके रॉक स्टार ललित जी का अंदाज बहुत ही मिलता जुलता है, और हम दोनों अपनी अपनी किरण की तारीफ सेम स्टाइल में करते हैं। मेरे और पूरे यारों की तरफ से ललित जी को जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। गॉड ब्लेस यू ललित जी।
Laddu, have a great birthday. We will celebrate during one of our long overdue holiday trips.
Lalit, my mom will bless you today and every day. Have a family birthday. All the best. Jai Bharat Maa.
जिंदगी के रास्ते हमेशा गुलजार रहें, तुम्हारे चेहरे पे सदा ही मुस्कान रहे। देता है दिल यह दुआ तुमको, जिंदगी के हर दिन खुशियों के बहार रहे। हैप्पी हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया।
Dearest Lalit Bhaiya, you've always been kind and thoughtful with a loving heart. You are thought of every single day, but especially today. Very happy birthday.
Hi Bhaiya, wishing you a very very happy birthday. Now there's so much to say about you, I really don't know where to begin and how to end it. But anyways, I'll talk of a very very recent interaction with you, which just shows your character. Bhaiya is normally very very particular and very observant in the little things which maybe other people don't even notice. So the other day, just a few days ago, I sent him some bundi, which he liked. So he called me up saying that it was good. And then he tells me, no, it wasn't good. It was actually brilliant. And you know why? Because there was syrup in it. So normally bundi which comes to our home is always dry. But this having so much syrup and so much full of kesher and all that stuff, that made it very, very special. So these are the this is just one of the pointers to his mannerisms, which just makes every woman feel so special. So wishing our special man a very, very happy birthday.
Bhaiya, all the best to you. And I must learn this art of complimenting when the girls get floored. That's something which I could not do, but I will better you in this. Let us see. I wish you all the best, Bhaiya. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Papa.
Hello, Papa. Here's wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday, Papa. And we pray, we wish for many, many, many more, Papa.
Papa, I wanted to tell you that you are now my mother and my father. And I really, really, really love you a lot.
Papa, the affection and care that you have for us, it is unimaginable, and I have no words to describe it, Papa. You've always been so thoughtful and so generous, Papa. It's a outstanding quality that you have, Papa.
We love you a lot, Papa. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Papa. Thank you for everything, and we hope and we pray that your blessings are bestowed upon us for a long, long, long time to come, Papa. Thank you very much.
Hi Nana, wish you a very very happy birthday. Can't believe it's been 2 years since we went on the cruise celebrating your 75th birthday, and now can't believe we are celebrating over the Zoom calls and video calls and recording videos to wish each other. Wish we could have been together and celebrated together, but soon I guess. Till then, Nana, take care, stay safe, and wish you a very very happy birthday and hope you have a great day and a great year ahead.
Hi Nana, the timing of this video is absolutely not right because I'm 3 or 4 whiskeys down, so I may slur a bit. Please excuse me for it. But I think out of the whiskeys, I'm going to speak from the heart. We really miss catching up with you, and I still can fondly remember that cruise trip that we had. It was probably one of the most memorable trips we had. Unfortunately, we have to wish you through this kind of a Zoom call, and I look forward to the entire lockdown opening up so we can celebrate once more in the same pre-COVID environment in our own fun moments. Wishing you a super birthday ahead, Nana, and look forward to catching up soon. Pranam from both our sides, and more importantly, cheers.
And this is our normal dining table conversation since the last 2 months. Shivraj is playing Papa and the rest of us are ourselves.
Dad, today is April 7th. I'm so tired of this lockdown. मैं तो थक गया हूँ बिल्कुल.
देखो, life is a celebration. Only 7 days are left. देखो, रोज इतना अच्छा खाना मिलता है, हम इतना अच्छा घर है, सब इतना बढ़िया है. तुम इतना थक क्यों रहे हो? Enjoy it.
क्या enjoy?
Yeah, don't complain so much, Abhishek.
Anyways, you keep going out and calling people. Still you complain.
Shut up, Dil.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lalitji. Happy birthday to you. Lots and lots of magical wishes to you on this lovely day, Lalitji. God bless you. I really wish we all could have been there with you today to celebrate your beautiful day. But we shall one day, very very soon. Once again, आपके लिए 2 लाइनें. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday.
On this occasion of Lalitji's birthday, I am reminded of his love for Sher o Shairi and a very notable characteristic of his, whereby he doesn't let the circumstances of his life affect him beyond a point. So if I had to introduce him in a single line, it would be, no tension, no fikr, comes our very own man from Jila Sikar. A Jab We Met moment. आँखों के दरमियाँ आप एक गुलिस्तां सा दिखते हो. आँखों के दरमियाँ आप एक गुलिस्तां सा दिखते हो. इस दिल्ली शहर में आप दुनिया का एक खूबसूरत सा हिस्सा दिखते हो. Going forward, साल तो हर साल बदलेगा, साल तो हर साल बदलेगा, बात तो तब होगी जब हमारा साथ ना बदलेगा. To conclude, हमारी गलतियों को भुलाते रहना कि ज़िंदगी भर दोस्ती निभाते रहना. अगर हम ना चल सके आपके साथ तो आप ही कदम से कदम मिलाते रहना. And finally, wishing him a very happy birthday in his mother tongue, Marwari. जन्म गांठरी बधाई, खूब जियो. Very happy birthday, Lalit ji.
My dear Lalit ji, आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. आप मिले एक बहुत प्यारे दोस्त की तरह. आपके लिए क्या बोलूं, जिम्मेदार, फुल ऑफ प्यार, बड़ी बड़ी गलतियों को इग्नोर करने वाले, जिंदा दिल और खुशियां बांटने वाले, हर को मौका देने वाले, यारों के यार. गिड 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 गिड. बिल्कुल नहीं बर्दाश्त। ये मानना है सबको, आपने सिखा दिया है आज। आपके लिए एक शेर अर्ज है। आसमान की बुलंदियों पे है नाम आपका, आसमान की बुलंदियों पे है नाम आपका, चांद की धरती पे हो मुकाम आपका। हम तो रहते हैं छोटी सी दुनिया में, पर खुदा करे सारा जहां हो आपका। विशिंग यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी and healthy birthday, dear Lalit ji. You rock.
रूप तेरा सोना सोना, सोनी तेरी पायल, छन छना छन ऐसे छन के कर दे सबको घायल। कह रहा आंखों का काजल, इश्क में जीना मरना। ये से शावा शावा माहिया से शावा शावा, माहिया से शावा शावा, माहिया से शावा शावा। से शावा शावा, माहिया से शावा शावा, माहिया से शावा शावा, भांगड़ा से शावा शावा, भांगड़ा।
नमस्कार करता हूं देवी और सज्जनों। जैसे आप हमारे फैन हो, उसी तरह हम भी आपके फैन हैं ललित जी। जी हाँ, और आज आपका जन्मदिन है। आज आपका 77वां बर्थडे है जी। और इसी जन्मदिन के अवसर पर मैं और आपका पूरा परिवार आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं देना चाहते हैं। जी हाँ, और पूरे परिवार की ओर से हम बताना चाहेंगे कि आप ही की वजह से, आपके प्यार, आपके संस्कार और इन्हीं की बदौलत आज जो भी कुछ है हम, वो सब आपकी वजह से है। तो सबसे पहले प्रणाम करते हैं आपको, धन्यवाद देते हैं। और एक पंक्ति याद आ रही है मुझे, उस पंक्ति को मैं आपको दोहराना चाहूँगा कि उगता हुआ सूरज दुआ दे आपको, उगता हुआ सूरज दुआ दे आपको, खिलता हुआ फूल खुशबू दे आपको। हम तो कुछ देने के काबिल नहीं, लेकिन देने वाला हजारों हजारों दुआ दे आपको। मैनी मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। और एक जो पंक्ति है हमारी एक फिल्म की, वो पंक्ति आपको सुना देते हैं जी। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है कि जिंदगी तेरी जुल्फों की नरम छाव में गुजर नहीं पाती तो शायद आप खो भी सकती थी। ये रंज जो गम की स्याही जो दिल पे छाई है, तेरी नज़र की शुआओं में खो भी सकती थी, मगर ये हो न सका, मगर ये हो न सका। और अब ये आलम है कि तू नहीं, तेरा गम, तेरी जुस्तजू भी नहीं। गुजर रही है कुछ इस तरह जिंदगी जैसे इसे किसी के सहारे की आरज़ू भी नहीं। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है।
लॉकडाउन 2।
पापा, ये तो मेरे को लग रहा है मोदी जी ने तो इकोनॉमी की वाट ली है। He has driven the Indian economy to ground zero. There's not going to be any money left. No, even he's giving any relief, and he will kill the economy.
See, it's simple. हम मोदी जी को फुल्ली सपोर्ट करते हैं। मोदी जी नहीं होते, हमारी इनकम भी नहीं होती। वो है तो हम है। उन्हें इतना अच्छा काम किया पूरे इंडिया में। तुम देखो इंडिया में कितने कम केस है और पूरे वर्ल्ड में कितने केस है।
Hello Lalit uncle, wishing you a very very happy birthday. I hope you have a great day and a wonderful year ahead.
Hello Lalit uncle, wishing you a very happy 78th birthday and a rocking year ahead with lots of celebrations. We met the first time in Dubai and ever since it has been a pleasure to see you. Talking to you has always been very inspiring and I'm looking forward to build more memories. Hope to see you soon and cheers until then. May God bless you with the best of health and have a wonderful day. Happy birthday.
Nanu, happy birthday.
Hi Nanu, wishing you a very very happy birthday and many more to come.
Nanu, you are such an inspirational person, super loving, caring, rational, logical, the whole 9 yards, and the best part is that you do it with a full-on cha-cha-cha. Thank you so much for being who you are. We love you and we wish we could be with you.
Thank you Nana and take care and enjoy your special day. Bye.
Uncle, you have reached lofty heights and yet you remain so humble.
This reminds me of a poem by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. धरती को बौनों की नहीं, ऊंचे कद के इंसानों की जरूरत है, इतने ऊंचे कि आसमान को छू लें, नए नक्षत्रों में प्रतिभा के बीज बोले, किंतु इतने ऊंचे भी नहीं कि पांव तले दूब ही ना जमे, कोई कांटा ना चुभे, कोई कली ना खिले. May you always remain lofty and may you always remain as humble as you are today.
Dear Lalit uncle, wishing you a very very happy birthday. एक जाम शायरी के नाम. आसमान की बुलंदियों पर नाम हो आपका, चांद की धरती पर मुकाम हो आपका. हम तो रहते हैं इस छोटी सी दुनिया में, पर खुदा करे सारा जहान हो आपका. To magic moments and magical time. Happy birthday.
Hi Nanu, happy birthday. So Dhruv and I have decided to give you cocktail names based on your personality, and my name for you is Patience Colada. Primarily because when I think of you, I think of patient, calm, and someone who truly lives in the present. And Nanu, this is something you've shown your grandchildren, children, everyone around you by your daily actions. Whether we talk on the phone or go for a dinner, you have the ability to really make the person you're talking to feel important, make them feel like you're listening. No thoughts about the past, no thoughts about the future, but just in the moment. And I really, really value that. And Nanu, thank you also for having the biggest heart. You're so giving in every way possible, and we love that about you. And there's so much to learn from you. Happy birthday, Nanu.
Happy birthday, Nanu. So sticking to the theme, the name of the cocktail that I chose for you was the Gentleman's Elixir. Simply because no matter what the situation is, wherever I've seen you, you have only come across as a true gentleman. I mean, from the way you walk, the way you talk, to just the charisma that you bring in the room, it's absolutely unbelievable, and I respect that, and hopefully at some point I could emulate that as well. I've really learned a lot from you, especially the fact that what Avika said, how you've been able to be so calm no matter what the situation is. I've never seen you even tremble even once, because you've just always been so confident and strong in what you were doing. So we will be drinking to the names of the cocktail that we've kept for you, and hopefully when the lockdown is over, we're going to come and celebrate with you.
And Nanu, you and I have a dinner date pending.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Nanu.
birthday.
This is lockdown 3.
Dadu, when is your next webinar on return of luxury fashion?
देखो डिमांड तो पूरा आएगा. हम अभी वेबिनार दिया था और लोग लॉकडाउन खत्म होने में सब इम्पोर्ट हो जाएंगे और सब शॉपिंग करेंगे. हमको कॉल भी आ गए हैं, सारी दुकान डिस्काउंट देंगे, लुई विटॉन, गुची और सारे लाइन लगेंगे. देखो हम तो जरूर जाएगा.
Papa checked with my friends, so they are saying they don't want to go shopping because where will they use these products? कहीं है ही नहीं, there's nowhere to go to.
बट डिस्काउंट देने पे सब जाएंगे और सब सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग
आपके हिसाब से पीवीआर भी चालू हो जाएगा, पीवीआर में भी लोग पिक्चर देखने लग जाएंगे.
हम एक इटालियन डिजाइनर से बात किए थे और वो 100 डिजाइनर और ला रही है, और शी सेड दैट शी इज गोइंग टू गो टू एवरी पर्सनस हाउस एंड गेट देम प्रॉपर कस्टमाइज्ड डिजाइन.
डैड ये बताइए कि जो आपकी इटालियन डिजाइनर है, हाउ ओल्ड इज शी?
शी इज 35 years old and I must say very good looking.
No wonder.
You're looking nice, Sanjay Jalal.
This you say every day. तुम मेरे को खुश करने के लिए हर दिन ये बोलती रहती है.
Seriously, इतना मासा जी के संग बैठ के आपने सीखा क्या? ललित मासा जी always says most of the people don't even know how to take compliments from other. Start appreciating when somebody compliments you. This we learned from you, Masa ji, one of many lessons. So still looking forward to have such many more lessons from you. Wishing you a very happy, healthy and safe birthday for sure.
Happy
Love
birthday,
you.
Masa ji.
Hello, Uncle. Here's wishing your very happy, fantabulous 78th birthday. You're one Mr. Amazing. Always giving life lessons and showing concern towards others, imparting the wisdom and knowledge with others. Every time we meet you, we have something to learn. We take back and contemplate on the things you have spoken about. I have had the privilege of knowing you last 30 years. You have always shown me great love and affection towards me and appreciated my friendship with Shalu. And I have stayed a couple of times in your beautiful house, and you have showed me great affection, and I'm very, very honored about it. Here's wishing you a very happy birthday, and may God shower all His blessings today and every single day.
A very happy birthday, Lalit Uncle. You are an epitome of style, elegance and positivity, and live life king size, yet you never forget your roots. I have known you for nearly 15 to 20 years, and you have the same warmth, the same smile, and it is always a pleasure to be around you. You are like the glow of the candle, which shines with so much positivity, and the people around you feel so happy and secured when we meet you and we are around you. Thank you again. A very, very happy birthday.
Hi Uncle, here is Ruchi, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Every time I meet you, I admire your zest of life and your enthusiasm. From what I've heard from Shalu, you have lived your life on your terms. Your children also cherish these values. Here is a song by Frank Sinatra, which is my favorite song, and it reminds me of your life as I know it. I'm attempting to sing a little piece from this song. Here it is. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each chartered course, each careful step along the byway. But more, much more than this, I did it my way. But more, much more than this, I did it my way. I hope you get a chance to listen to this song, and once again wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.
It has been a privilege knowing Khaitan Uncle over the last few years. Although I haven't met him too frequently, but even one single meeting and he leaves an indelible mark behind. He's so exuberant and spirited himself that no wonder he founded the Radico Khaitan distilleries. He's the life of any party. He carries himself with awesome grace and suave. The way he performed the Lungi dance at Avika's wedding was mind-blowing. And guys, if you haven't seen it yet, I think you should ask for the video immediately and have a look at it. You'll know what I'm saying. So Uncle, on this great day, wishing you a very, very happy birthday, a very happy long life with lots of prosperity and lots of love. And Uncle, our party is due.
मुझको को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के मुझको को थोड़ा राउंड घुमा के अन्ना के जैसा चश्मा लगा के कोकोनट में लस्सी मिला के आ जाओ सारे मूड बना के रजनी फैंस डोंट मिस दैट चांस रजनी फैंस डोंट मिस दैट
Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Lalit ji.
You're a platinum lining to every cloud in life. You are a God-sent angel meant for humanity at large.
Sir, we wish you a very, very happy, healthy and prosperous year ahead. The work that you are doing for society at large is a source of inspiration. Wish you a very, very happy birthday.
Lots of respect, lots of love, filled with good health and happiness for you, sir, always.
Warm and sincere regards.
Happy birthday, Lalit uncle. From the entire Art of Living family, there's a song specially for you. सागर में एक लहर उठी आपके नाम की, आपको मुबारक खुशियाँ आत्मज्ञान की, आपको है अनंत में जाकर मिल जाना, आप है सुंदर फूले संसार की. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू.
तो देखो 2-2.5 घंटे सुबह लगाते हैं पार्क में और शाम को सत्संग में जाते हैं. तो मुझे तो नहीं लगता कोरोना हमारे नजदीक आ जाए.
क्योंकि आप सत्संग जाते हो.
सत्संग में जाते हैं. प्यारी समझ गई.
So I did this specially for you because you know you are such a disciplined man, and I'm sure the way you're doing your meditation every day at 7 a.m. and you're going to the parks for 2 hours for a walk, I'm sure you're going to save the whole world from coronavirus with your positive energies. Love you.
Hi Nanu, happy 77th birthday. I've always seen you as a fantastic person who loves to enjoy life and enjoy new things and try new things. There's never been one day where you have been angry or sad. I have always seen you as a caring person and a loving person. I would like to say just one thing, that live the life the way you have lived. And you have been always an example for me. And here's wishing you a happy 77th birthday.
Wish you a very happy birthday, uncle. God bless you. Have a fantastic year and enjoy your day. Cheers.
Happy birthday, uncle. Raising a toast to you. And on your birthday, I want to say that you are one of the most inspiring person I have known. And thank you for being such a rock star and teaching all of us a good way of living life. Cheers and God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Lalit uncle. So lovely to have met you during the wedding. We got to know you so well. You're such a wonderful person. You give us so much love. Thank you for all your love and affection. Wish you a great year and a super, super day ahead.
Cheers, uncle. How does it feel to be 18 with 60 years experience? God bless.
Cheers. Happy birthday.
Hi Lalit uncle, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. You totally stole the show in the Lungi dance on Avika's wedding, and we so wish we could have done the Lungi dance with you on your birthday. But nevertheless, here's wishing you a grand birthday and a superb year ahead. Lots of love from me, Sonali, and all our friends.
Happy birthday, Lalit uncle. Wish you all the very best. Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. It was such a pleasure spending time with you during the wedding. And we really enjoyed spending time with you and meeting you and getting to know you. Hope to see you very soon. Lots of love.
Happy, happy birthday to my super dashing, suave, man with the moves, Lalit uncle. You are an inspiration to all of us of our generation, uncle. Wishing you a very, very happy birthday and a long, healthy life. Your family is very, very blessed to have you. And actually, we are your family too now. So, we are all blessed. Happy birthday, uncle. Have a lovely day. And we will see you soon again.
Lalit uncle, many happy returns of the day. I love you so much and I'm so jealous of you. You know why? Because you've got the most incredible woman in the world. And you know, I've been longing to have such incredible women in my life and I've never got them. Lalit uncle, please be a part of me. Let's be friends. Let's party together, Lalit uncle. Happy birthday. Cheers together.
Happy birthday, uncle. Your business journey and your zest for life is an inspiration to everyone around you. Here's wishing you an action-packed life ahead, just like our Lungi dance.
You know what? When we talk about Lalit uncle, the only thing what happens is this: we get a smile. Because Lalit uncle is Lalit uncle, and there is nobody who can be like you, because the kind of positivity, the kind of affection, the kind of personalization, and the way you know how to make each person feel so special. Lalit uncle, wishing you a very, very happy birthday, and I hope the coming year gets you the best of everything and best of everything. And thanks for being there.
Dear Lalit uncle, ख्वाहिशों के समंदर का हर मोती आपको नसीब हो.
आपका हर चाहने वाला हम सफ़र हमदम करीब हो, रहमतों की बरसात हो और आपकी हर दुआ हर ख्वाहिश कबूल हो. Wishing you a very happy birthday, uncle. May God bless you with the best of health. I have known you for a short while, but I am your biggest admirer. Take good care of yourself, uncle. And last but not the least, you are a true inspiration in every way. God bless you.
Happy birthday, uncle. How are you? Varun Gandhi this side. I hope you recognize me, though we haven't spent much time together. But I've been a part of two important celebrations of your family. There's Shelja's birthday and Avika's marriage. I've kept on admiring you. Your dance at Shelja's birthday, your lungi dance practice, your lungi dance performance on stage. I really admire you. The way you bring joy, the way you spread joy, the way you bring out the magic and the spark amongst people. Wow. I hope I could lead a life like you. Lastly, I would like to say that we shouldn't count the candles, but the light they bring in. We shouldn't count the years, but the life actually what we have led. Happy birthday once again. I wish the best for you.
Hello Lalit uncle, this is Ritu. Wishing you a very very happy birthday. You're a real source of inspiration for all of us here, and of course a rock solid support for your entire family. They really look up to you. So on this special day, I wish you all the happiness, success and good health for the coming year and years ahead. और आपके साथ कुछ बिताए हुए पल, आपकी शेर व शायरी हमें खूब याद आती है. So taking from that, just one line for you. हर पल में प्यार, हर लम्हे में खुशी है. खो दो तो याद, जी लो तो जिंदगी है. Good luck, God bless, have a great year ahead.
उसके इरादों का साथ निभाता है. उसके इरादों का साथ निभाता है जो मंजिलों के आगे राह बनाता है. उसकी कोशिश को रोक नहीं सकती कोशिश. उसकी कोशिश को रोक नहीं सकती कोशिश. आखिर पत्थर बनाने वाला ही तो इंसान बनाता है. हैप्पी बर्थडे ललित अंकल. विश यू अ फैबुलस 77th बर्थडे. ये कुछ पंक्तियां मुझे याद आई. मुझे पता है आपको शायरी बहुत पसंद है. ये किताब है तमन्ना, एक लड़की प्रिया शर्मा ने लिखी है, तो उसमें से कुछ पंक्तियां थी ये. विश यू हेल्थ and many more larger than life experiences. Hope to see you soon and happy birthday.
Hi Lalit uncle, wish you a very very happy birthday. This is Shivani Kashyap. Wishing you a very happy 77th birthday. Have a rocking year ahead. May all your dreams come true and always stay the charming person that you are. Well, I'm a very dear friend of Shelja and she told me that you love one of these songs which I'm going to be dedicating to you. So here's your favorite song coming right up. And मेरी ज़हरा जब यूं तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान. तुझ पे कुर्बान मेरी जान मेरी जान. And मेरी ज़हरा जब यूं तुझे मालूम नहीं, तू अभी तक है हंसी और मैं जवान. तुझ पे कुर्बान a lovely birthday, Uncle. Enjoy yourself.
मैं तू मेरे यार तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली इकट्ठे हैप्पी बर्थडे
Down 4.
Dad, I have a fantastic news for you. Dad, आज केजरीवाल ने बोला है that above 65 and below 10 would not be allowed to go out of the house for next 1 year. तो आप तो बोल रहे थे celebration and enjoying and only 7 days. Now केजरीवाल has given you 1 year.
देखो हमको अच्छा तो लग रहा है बट हम सोच रहे थे कि हम ऑफिस 2 घंटे के लिए आ जाते हैं. हम अपनी कैबिन में रहेंगे और किसी से मिलेंगे भी नहीं. सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग तो पूरा फॉलो होता ही है.
But Dad, there's no point coming to the office now. आप Zoom में कर लो अपना.
अब देखो हम भी थक गए हैं. हमारे भी तो अब सेटिंग चेंज हो जाएगा.
Dad, cheers. Wishing you a very, very happy 77th birthday. And I really wish each year we celebrate as if it's your 75th. And it continues and goes on for years and years and years. And hopefully you will become younger.
Birthday, Papa.
Happy birthday,
Papa. And we hope this year is a great year for you and you continue enjoying and celebrating life the way you have always done.
Happy birthday, Dad. Wish you a fantastic 77th year, which is more like 65 years for me, what I call you. The hero of my life. And you know, Dad, I know you have millions of wishes here and I believe in all of them, so I would not repeat it again. The only thing I would like to add to it is that you are the coolest, fun dad I could ever have. And you are the best. And I would love the way we have sung, we have danced, we have twisted together, and the brown girl in the rain that you've made me sung in Nainital Club, and the way you have motivated me in life. I could not have asked for anything better. And I wish you all the best, good health, peace, happiness, and I must tell you today one thing, I am absolutely 100% happy in life. Thank you for being there for me.